is Jazz from Eros Digital Home, and you're watching Nextech. This is where we talk about our best-selling products and review their performances so you can make a right decision. As you can see, I'm here right now in one of the best section of the store, and that is kitchen appliances. So, if you're among those who love to cook a quick, delicious meals, then we have something that will make your head here right now. Here's a 42 liters convection oven. It's a silver stainless steel design convection oven with a digital control panel. It stores also up to 10 auto cook options, which means cooking after a tiring day of work can definitely be fun and less messy. And it has also a convection heating mode, which when selected, turns on heating tubes and fans simultaneously to reach a temperature up to 240 degrees Celsius. This will make your food look, smell, and taste even more delicious. Plus, if you're a grill lover, it has an amazing grilling function effect that adds that beautiful browning to the surface, giving your grill a delicious aroma and taste. And for those who have kids at home, this is a perfect convection oven for you. It has a child lock function to avoid unnecessary accidents. Midea's wide range of ovens are available at all Eros Digital Home stores across the UAE. Drop in and let one of my colleagues give you a demo.
Eros Group. Follow the future.